Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Welcome to our class today. May you sit down?
You are sitting down. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, if you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, and you really want to show that you are happy and you know, clap your hands. Okay, sing along with me. If you are happy and you know,
Clap your hands.
if you are happy and you know, clap your hands. Happy and you know, and you really want to show that you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, nod your head. If you are happy and you know, nod your head. If you are happy and you know, and you really want to show that you are happy and you know, nod your head. Okay, thank you very much. Today we are learning about environmental activities. So we are going to learn about personal and common items used at home. Personal and common items used at home. Say personal items.
Personal items.
Personal items.
Personal items.
What are personal items? What are personal items? Who can tell me what personal items is? Yes? Wait first. I said personal items are items that we cannot share at home. They are just for you. Okay, wait first. Personal items. Personal items are items that are not shared. They are just for you. You alone. You cannot share the personal items with any other person. Personal items are just your own personal belongings. You cannot share them with other people. Sawa? So, and we have, wait first, just be patient. Common items. Common items. Common items are items. Are items that are done what? Do we share common items?
No.
Do we share common items? Do we share common items? Which items do we share? Personal or common items?
Items.
Common items. Clap for Nasra. Common items are items. Common items are items that are shared. They are items that are shared. Sindo? Okay. Who can name for me types of personal items? Handkerchief. Clap for her. For him. Well done. Well done. That is better. Better. Another better. Better. Okay. Another personal item. Another personal item that cannot be shared. He has said one. One. Wait first. You carry up your hand. Then I pick on you. Socks. Clap for Aliyah. Another better. Okay, number 3. Towels. Clap for him. Another better. Marvelous. Yes, Abdisalam. Toothbrush. You cannot share a toothbrush. Can you share a toothbrush with your friend? Can you share a toothbrush? Toothbrush are not shared. So we cannot share what? Toothbrush. Say toothbrush. Wait first. I'll just pick on you. Be patient. Yes, face towel. Clap for him. Another better. Marvelous. Okay. Shoes. We don't share shoes. We don't share what? Shoes. We cannot share shoes. Can you wear your shoes with your mother? No. Can you wear your shoes with your father? Can you wear your shoes with your neighbor?
No.
They are just meant for you. Okay, thank you. So, let us read the personal items that cannot be shared. Number one? Number one? Number one? Number two? Number two? Number three? Number three? Number four? Number four? Number five? Number five? Six? Six? Those are the personal items that cannot be shared. We cannot share these personal items. If we share these items, we may contact a disease from one person to another. We cannot share a toothbrush. You cannot share a toothbrush. For an example, I have a problem with my mouth or with my teeth. If I give you my brush, you likely have to contact my disease. So we cannot share what? We cannot share toothbrush. Can you share an innerwear? Can you share your innerwear? Eh? You take your innerwear, you give this one to wear. Is it possible? We don't share personal items. Personal items are not shared. Personal items are items or things that are just meant for you alone. Is it okay? Okay. Who will tell me? What is a personal item? Carry your hand. What is a personal item? What did I say? Personal items are? Yes. Clap for Aliyah. Well done. Well done. Another better. Marvelous. She has said that personal items are items or things that are not shared. Are things that are not shared. Okay. Who can name for me the types of personal items? Types of personal items. Who can name for me any personal items that we cannot share? Name for me a personal item that we cannot share. Abdisalam. Innerwear, clap for him. Yeah. Marvelous. Okay, another one. Amir? Yes, toothbrush, clap for him. Well done. That is better. Another better. Marvelous. Yes, Abdullah. Face towel, clap for him. That is better. Another better. Marvelous. I need two girls here. Shoes. Yes, we don't share shoes. We don't share shoes. And you? Yes, earpad. Okay, she has reminded us of an earpad. An earpad. Say earbud. Ear. Yes. This is a what? Do you know an earpad?
I have like two.
Can you share this one? Yes. Can you share it? I take it, I remove that from my ear, then I give it to you. Is it healthy? No, it is not healthy. We cannot share what? Ear pads. We cannot share ear pads. Okay.